Dear students of class 6 EM and BM, how are you? I hope all of you are very well and you are staying at home because of coronavirus crisis and stay home, stay safe. You are enjoying our online class regularly. Today you are going to enjoy English class from English first paper and lesson 13. Here there is a passage, the name of this passage, The Unseen Beauty of Bangladesh. We shall read out this passage carefully and we shall try to answer the questions according to the passage. Let's start and read out this passage carefully. An unseen beauty of Bangladesh. Unseen beauty, that means what you have not seen yet. Unseen beauty of Bangladesh. There is a passage here and we shall read out this passage carefully, then we shall try to answer some questions according to this passage. Okay, let's start. Bangladesh is a small country but it is gifted with unlimited natural attractions. Unlimited, that means what has no limitation. Next, only some of these eye-catching destinations are known to us, but there are many other areas lying in the green, remote countryside that are less known to us. Shusang Durgapur of Birishiri is on of such places. That means most of the places, some of them are known to us and most of them are unknown to us. Shusang Durgapur is one of them, just like this. Okay, now we shall know about Shusang Durgapur clearly. Shusang Durgapur has an amazing landscape. Landscape, that means a place or land with full of natural beauty. It is located on the bank of crystal clear Someshwari river and is close to the Garo Hills. Garo Hills is one of the famous hills of Bangladesh. You can see the hills of Indian state of Meghalaya from here. From here you can see also the another hills of India. The nature has unfolded its glory in this small rural landscape. Unfolded, that means disclose, to show. Here you can see the ceramic mountains leaning against the sky. The blue water of the pictorial mountain valley, the modest moment of the river Someshwari, and the abandoned coal mines. There is another river here called Kongsho, which is also known as Old Someshwari. That means here a short description about Shusang Durgapur. Shusang Durgapur is located under the Netrokona district. Yes, Shusang Durgapur is located under the Netrokona district, about 170 km north from Dhaka. It's not only blessed with alluring natural beauty but also rich in vibrant ethnic culture. Alluring, that means amazing or charming. There are many ethnic groups like Hazang, Garo, Achik and Mandi living here. Some of the ethnic groups. The Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. It is a center for various cultural and educational activities of different tribes. The main attractions of Birishiri is the ceramic hill of Durgapur. That means ceramic hill is the main attraction of this area, and the charming landscape along the Someshwari river. Another thing, the river changes its color as the season changes. Among other attractions are the place of the Shushan king, the Dusha Busha temple, Orange gardens, Shal forest, and the Ramkrishna and Loknath Baba temples. Here is called, there are some temples and some institutions about Birishiri or Shushan Durgapur. Next, the best way to get to Birishiri is by road. That means how you can go there from Dhaka. You can find direct bus to Birishiri from Mohakali bus stand, Dhaka. It takes 5 to 6 hours to get there. When you are there, you can go around the town by rickshaw. The rickshaw pullers know all the places very well. This is the description of Birishiri. Now choose the correct answer to each questions from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer script. Just we shall try to answer the following question. Number 1. Shushan Durgapur is located under Netrakona district about 170 km north from Dhaka. Here the word located is similar to situated, named, called or posted. What will be the right answer? Situated. Number 2. It is not only blessed with alluring natural beauty but also rich in vibrant ethnic culture. Here blessed means, what does it mean by blessed? Cursed, adored, condemned, destined. The right answer, destined. Number 3. There are many ethnic groups like Hajong, Garo, Asik and Mandi living here. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word ethnic? Indigenous, native, foreign, tribal. What is the not synonym? So here the word will be foreign. Number 4. It is a center for various cultural and educational activities of different tribes. The terms educational means, that means what does it mean by educational? Non-academic, constitutional, non-schooling, academic. The synonym word is academic. It is very easy. Okay, from next slide. Number 5. The main attraction of Birishiri is the ceramic hill of Durgapur and the charming landscape along the Someshwari river. What does attractions means? That means what does it mean by attractions? Here there are 4 options: distraction, interest, diversion and hobby. Diversion is a synonym word of attractions. That's why the correct answer is number C. Okay, number 6. The river changes its color as the season changes. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to change? There are 4 options here. Number A. Transform, modify, establish, alter. That means opposite word of change here will be stabilize. Stabilize. This is the opposite word of change. Number 7. Birishiri is a charming place, wetland, watery place, marshy land. This is clear, very easy. Number A, charming place. Already we have known about this word from our passage. Okay, from next and last slide, number 8, the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Rangamati, in Mymensingh, in Netrokona, at Durgapur. According to the passage, Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. Number 9. Birishiri is a place for various cultural and educational. Number D. Musical. What will be the right answer? Cultural and educational. Next and last number 10. From Dhaka, one can go to Birishiri on foot, by plane, by road, by railway. One can go to Birishiri by road. That is, number C is the correct answer.